Restaurant-style lamb mutton biryani recipe, a must-try at home. Missing the authentic flavors of Hyderabad? Try this restaurant-style lamb mutton biryani recipe at home. Lamb mutton biryani recipe and enjoy the taste of Dum Biryani. Instructions: rinse rice until water is clear, soak for 30 minutes, then drain, saute onions until caramelized, set aside half, add ginger garlic paste, tomatoes, cook until mushy, brown lamb with spices, stir in yogurt, simmer for 15 minutes, preheat oven to 180 degrees Celsius 350 degrees Fahrenheit, layer rice, mint, coriander, and lamb in oven-safe dish. Repeat layers, drizzle with ghee, cover with foil, bake for 20 to 25 minutes, garnish with caramelized onions, serve hot. Enjoy your homemade lamb mutton biryani, bursting with authentic flavors and aromas that will surely delight your taste buds.